Yo, what up? What up? What up? What's going on? Hope you guys are having a good fucking day. Hope you're having a good fucking day over there. Where's my fucking chapstick? Don't mind me. I just gotta log in everything. I haven't traded at all this morning. So, let me log into all my shit. I'll show you what the fuck is going on over here. Sorry about yesterday. I did not stream yesterday. I could not stream yesterday. I had a schedule conflict that the stream took a backseat to, which is crazy because I never miss a day. I really don't even remember. I don't think I've ever missed a fucking Power Hour stream since I started streaming for Power Hour, ever. If there was a Power Hour, I was there, but I could not do it yesterday. We had to put my dog down, the old man dog, Mr. Romeo, and we were gonna do it. We were gonna do it sooner. I mean, we were gonna do it later on in the day, but my wife just started, she's like, it's not fair to him to prolong this. So we were able to get in earlier, and we took care of it, and it fucking sucks. It always sucks having to do that shit. And we didn't even have him for 2 years, but he was still our dog and we loved him. And especially my wife, she was his caretaker. We were his caretaker because he was basically in hospice pretty much since we got him, especially the last year, because he got really fucked up in like last June. And, it just sucked. It just sucked. It sucks. We're going to have his ashes and all that shit. It just fucking blows the whole thing. It's not fun when you have to do it. It's like the worst fucking shit. Anyone who's ever had to do it knows exactly what I'm talking about. It's awful. You don't even have to have a fucking that much of an emotional attachment to a fucking animal. And then if you're in the room and that's happening, you bring them there for that to happen, it's fucking the worst thing ever. But we did have an emotional attachment to him, obviously. And then, now it's just fucking weird because he slept in the bed with us. He was either sleeping between us or he was sleeping on my side and I'm fucking spooning him. And then like right now during the day, he'd be hanging out with Jacob in his room. Just wants to he wants to be near a warm body. That's all he ever wanted, and to be fed. So it just fucking blows. It's just life. But he was suffering. It's quality of life is a real thing. We just took him to the emergency vet the other day too. It's just, he had so many fucking issues. Anyway, sorry to be a little Debbie Downer over here. Let me turn on my fucking screen. I want to show you guys something. There, right there. All right, let me turn on my screen. Let's see who's out here. Let's see who's out here. I haven't even looked at the fucking charts. That's the NQ. Down 380 fucking points. Shit. Who's out here though? Tony Gold, JK, Terp Derp J, Rick, Enzo, AS, CyberPie, Marcine, Chase, Black Magic, Just Ain't Right, Mwah, Preneur X. I'm sorry, yeah, I'm sorry. I think you heard what happened. Believe me, I wouldn't miss it for the world, but I had to. Mob Barley, Clinvale, White Trash Granny, Susan Brennan, Investars, Colby, D-Walk, Marcine, yeah, DBT, no name, D-Walk, yeah, it's never fun. It's never fucking fun, man. Ryan, yep. But people have an expectation. They expect me to be on. You guys that like to hang out with me when I fucking trade and stream and shit. So I really do appreciate the support. Nayo, no skills. Thank you, man. White Trash Granny. Rick, yeah. I have 3 other dogs I'm gonna have to do this with, and who knows how many dogs I'm gonna. Who knows? Like, there's a dog, Bowser. What up? I'll tell you guys in a second. Bowser, DS, Odie, Roro, Dips and Peaks. I mean, he's definitely in peace now, that's for sure. Scalp, fuck the world. Yeah, they are. Remember, this is the dog we got when he was already a senior, and he was on the fucking kill list. He was on the euthanasia list. He came in like he got dropped. He came in from the streets but he was chipped. So some piece of shit who owned him fucking treated him like shit and neglected him and let him fucking run because he was a lot of work. And he was deaf. But he probably wasn't always deaf. He probably ended up being deaf because he had chronic ear infections and they didn't take fucking care of him. So he was a fucking starvation case. He was all fucking skin and bones. And he was deaf. He had all types of health issues. Super high maintenance. All he wanted was a little bit of love. And all we wanted to do was give him, all my wife wanted to do was just give him 1 day of that. And we ended up having him for almost 2 years. Jack Rudotti, NJ, GB, Tick Daddy, Coach Eddie. It was the old man dog, the one that was, the one that I would be feeding. I'd be streaming at night, and I'd have to stop to feed him and shit, or go downstairs and feed him. The one you always would see me cooking chicken for and shit. Chrisin. Oh, by the way, yeah, that Take Profit Trader deal is ending Sunday night. 50% off, no activation fee. So just keep that in mind. If you're gonna grab some accounts, use the best fucking code. Gian Rich, Carlos, Alfred, Subi Guy. Yeah, I did it with a cat and 3 dogs now. 3 dogs and a cat. Caleb Woodson. Mark. What's going on with gold? Damn, gold fucking. This is the daily. I'm curious if it fucking ends up breaking down lower here. Kenny. 18. Nice job, Carlos. Really great job, man. I remember when I used to be a good trader. Carbonite, Ehab, Charles Green. I remember when I used to get payouts. Keegan, Holy Earth, Chad. Thank you, man. Holy Earth, I appreciate it, bro. Where was I yesterday? Putting my dog down at exactly when the stream was happening. Susan Brennan, Jack Boone, Isaac. Oh, was that Raphael? Fuck. It's Olivier. Fuck, man. Olivier, thank you. I don't know why I see 00 clench and I can't 007 clench, and I know I appreciate it, man. Thank you. You like the 25Ks? For $75, all in. If you pass, it's fucking great. Pimp Daddy, what's up, motherfucker? Sly Fox. Sanyel. 30K the last 2 months? Yeah. Hey, great job. It's all right. You're going to get it. You'll be able to trade with them. Freeper. No, you don't need to manually close trades. They will liquidate. They will just take you out of the trade. Russell. Yeah, dude, Olivier, every fucking time. I don't know why, bro. I have like this mental block with you. I don't know. It's not you. It's because YouTube fucking changed it from showing everybody's display name, which I got familiar with and I remember everybody. And then they switched it to the user ID. So like, I had to relearn who was who. And for whatever reason, I get hung up on yours because it's like similar to someone else. I don't fucking know, man. John Q. Just my style. Maximus the Conqueror. Linnell. Thank you, guys. Yeah, YouTube's a bunch of fucking asshats, like Ryan said. All right, so let me show you. You see this right here? This right here is the spot that I ran out of drawdown on 5 Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. This was my first entry. This was my second entry, and I think I got filled again somewhere over here. Got caught in this fucking flash dump. And before I got in here, I was over the buffer by like $40. But I was expecting this. I was expecting it to go up like this. Just not after it fucking did this. And I got stuck in the trade like a fucking idiot, and I blew the accounts. They were at where are they? Where the fuck are they? They were at the peak of them was at $2,242. The peak. You know how fucking it's so fucking frustrating. So fucking frustrating. And this was like I had it in the bag. Like, can I just get will I ever get a fucking payout ever again? That's how I feel right now. I haven't gotten a fucking payout in over a fucking month because of dumb shit like this. Just the other day, I blew my 5 Lucids I was on day 4. All I needed to do was get $150. I couldn't even fucking do that. Miss Goody, Mikey. Do they have a payout cap once over the buffer? Just don't do more than 10,000 in a day. They'll eventually will push you to live. And you might have to get it's like over 20 to 25 grand or something per account. But they kind of changed their Pro Plus, AKA live plan. So I don't really know. I can't tell you from personal experience either. So I'm just so fucking frustrated. I'm just over this shit. I'm over it. I'm over this shit. I'm fucking just tired of the same fucking shit. Like of course that would happen. Of fucking course that would happen. I got new evals, of course. I didn't trade them yet. Of course that would fucking happen though. That's the shit that drives me fucking crazy. And I knew it. You know how I fucking knew that was gonna happen? Because it always does. That's how it always plays out. And then it just fucking runs like 200 something ticks from there. Look at how fucking high it went. So, I don't know. I'm just fucking tired of the same fucking shit. I keep doing the same fucking thing, finding a way to fuck up, and I'm fucking tired of sucking. I'm better than this. I'm fucking better than this. I'm already over 100 grand in payouts this year. But the last fucking 2 months have been awful. And now we're bleeding into a third month. At least I broke even in fucking March. I haven't gotten a payout since fucking April 12th. And all I did last month was $2,300. After going on a stretch where I fucking averaged 40 grand a month for 3 months, and before that, I did another 26 grand in 2 months. I wasn't trying to catch the knife. It had already bounced. I was trying to ride the move up some more. And then it fucking fell back, went lower, and then it fucking bounced and went higher. GMAT, TTA. So I don't know. I fucking hate everything right now. I fucking hate everything. So there's my take profit trader. Right after all that happened, guess what? Look, what a fucking surprise. No problem. Push my fucking trade days over, so these are passed. So I'll have some funded trade days on fucking Sunday going, starting Sunday. Cool. That's fucking great. What difference does it make if I'm just going to end up blowing them anyway? Right? Because that's what's been going on. And then the Lucids, I took Lucids halfway up. We did that right after. What did I do? I went long in fucking gold. Right after that fucking happened. Because I fucking knew. And then I got these halfway up. I had another two that were halfway up. And then all I wanted to do was get to the other half, and I fucking blew those, and I got these new ones and got these halfway up. So whatever. Whatever the fuck ever. At some point, this shit's going to fucking turn. I'm just fucking tired of the same shit happening. Mikey, what about Apex? I'm still waiting. I'm still transitioning from 0-day J to 0-day Jane. Yeah, the market's over-manipulated, but all the shit that keeps happening is shit I do to myself. I could have gotten out. I could have been like, let me get the fuck out of this trade. It's going south. Let me get out. And then I was in too heavy. If I just stayed in the one mini that I was in, I would have been okay, but I added. And then I ran out of drawdown, and then it bounced. So, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not going to give up GCTA, obviously. I've made too much money to give up, but it's just fucking, I've been feeling like every fucking time, like, it's just, I'm tired of the same shit happening. It's the same fucking shit. I wonder where my fucking coach is, though, to tell me, my Captain Obvious fucking coach, that cocksucker, trying to be my friend. Apex, no name, Apex has pushed me live. I'm just waiting for them to reach out to me individually to let me know what let me know what the fuck I'm going to end up with. Norman, what up? Maybe, G-Matt. Size also got those accounts over 2,200. Yeah, the payout drought is real, man, Bowser. It's fucking awful. John Q, thank you, bro. I appreciate the support, man. All I want is for everybody to fucking win, obviously. All right, so this is the fucking NQ. I'm just fucking, I don't know. And I got so much shit going on in my fucking personal life and shit. I just fucking did a crazy fucking kitchen reno, remodel. My dog just died. There's a lot of other shit going on. Obviously, there's none of your fucking business. You know what I mean? So, like, a lot of it is bleeding into my trading. So, I just got to fucking man up. I got to man up. I have no problem growing accounts. New kitchen in the trailer. Vern, Valley Stream in the house. What up, man? Nico. It means you're going to be trading with a live account in a live environment. AS, no, they do it for me. They're going to turn my fucking hot dog into a bun. Mark, yeah, I appreciate it, man. Yeah, of course I got TradingView. Yeah. TradingView, I wouldn't say you need it. It's mandatory if you're a trader, because when you're trading on with these prop firms, you could just use TradeEvade or whatever platform they offer. But I just feel like TradingView is a staple. You need to have TradingView. You don't need it, but you do need it. And then you need real-time data with TradingView, which is like $7.99 a month. And if you want to have multiple fucking, if you want to have a bunch of indicators on there, you got to pay up for that. You don't necessarily need to do that. But TradingView is I just think it's as far as I'm concerned, mandatory, but you don't need it. But like, you might as well. Like you could do some cool shit on TradingView. Hot dog Chad. A Chad that electrocutes you every time you hit a stop loss? That's fucking funny, bro. DS. . Well, that's true too. Yeah, you don't even need the data. Yes, that's true, because you could do you could log in. They have this down here. Where is it? The connections or whatever. I can't even get to it. I don't want to. There's something underneath here that's like connections or whatever, and you could log into you could fucking hook up your Trade Evade, and I guess it'll give the real time data. So even there's another workaround. But like, if you can't swing $5.99 or $7.99 a month to pay for the real time data without having to do that, you probably shouldn't be doing this shit. To be honest with you, if I really had to be honest and frank with you guys. No, I get it, bro. I get it. Enzo likes TV a lot. Oh, TradingView. Yeah. So I don't know. We're just sitting here. I'm looking to see if I could grow these. These are the only accounts I have left to trade, basically. Did I get any? Let me check my Bullinox. Did I get any new Bullinoxes yet? Like, did they refresh? No. Not yet. My subscriptions. You see, chat, NJ. Trial will update once every 5 seconds or something if you don't pay. Yeah, I'm just saying, like, you got to treat this shit like, if you can't swing fucking, or you don't want to swing $8, I mean, that workaround will work, but at the same time, it's like, I don't know. Like, it's hard to explain, but the universe fucking knows when you're being fucking cheap. If you're going to be cheap about that, like, you're cheapening your fucking, how fucking serious you are. If that makes any sense. Do past evals stay on queue? They kind of like just disappear, but they have them. Like, they didn't lose them. They might show up in that past category, but not always. Alfred, exactly. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. And that might mean $7.99 a month for fucking real time data, without a workaround. That's all. I get it though. Like, if you strap for cash, I get it. You save, you cut corners whenever possible. Whoops. The greatest investment you can make is in yourself, or using my code. Just kidding. Just kidding. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's that shit, all that shit matters. It's subtle. It's subconscious. A lot of it is subconscious. More than anything. You don't even realize, just like with me, like right now, I'm kind of like talking shit about myself. I got to fucking stop, because it doesn't help. It only makes shit worse. You're only making it harder on yourself, as Eminem said in the song Kim. What's Crude doing? Oh, did you guys know that Crude has the new contract is what you want to trade? CLM is done. Go to CLN as in Nancy for crude oil. If you fuck with crude, the contract rollover happened. All right, what the fuck are we doing here? I literally, this is like my first time looking at the charts all day. I might have looked a little bit before. I had somewhere I needed to be, so. Sorry, chat. Hope you're not looking at my package. I just needed to plug the shit in. We just bounced. Let's see. How many points is it? See, like, because I'm zoomed out, like, it didn't look like a lot, but that's 50 fucking points that we bounced. I missed it. Now we're going to hold at this fucking the VWAP here. I could also trade gold, and I might do that instead. I don't know. Gold, yo, the range on gold is insane. 45.14 to 46.70. 156 points, 1,560 ticks from top to bottom. I guess nothing's going to happen until 12:50. Let's look and see what the fuck is going on next week. Next week we got nothing. Monday. Tuesday. Nothing really. Wednesday, FOMC minutes. UK CPI. Thursday, manufacturing index, unemployment claims, PMI. Wow, PMI is no longer considered a red folder event? Look at this. It's orange. Oh, no. Yeah. Look at that. USA, United States, manufacturing PMI, services PMI. Orange folder event. That used to be a big deal. University of Michigan consumer sentiment. So a light week. There might be earnings and stuff. I'll wait for Nao to post that shit in the Discord. By the way, if you're not in the best fucking community on these platform streets, Stock Cars and Bets, what up? I didn't even see you, bro. What up, Aid? Ruckit. Renee Blair. Thank you, man. Sorry, I'm behind. What up, Nick? I'm behind on the chat. Yeah, trading is psychological warfare on yourself, big time. Jay Nibs, big time. It's the more and more I'm pretty fucking solid with my charting, what I see is going to happen. My timing isn't always the best, and obviously execution, but you know what execution is? Execution and timing is mental. It's fucking mental. What up, Ree? Fresh on cloud, Pika na Sharika, Aki. Bowser, gold is ugly. I love it. We got NVIDIA. What is that, on Tuesday? Wednesday. NVIDIA's on Wednesday. 21st or the 26th? Crypticon. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. So NVIDIA's next week, Wednesday or Thursday. Vincenzo, simplistic. My trading has been whatever. My trading's been whatever. How hard can it be? Is that Tayway? I think that is Tayway. Tay-Day, my bad. Tay-Day. Fuck, man. My bad. Maximus. Gold was crazy last night too. It just kept dumping as soon as Ademi, as soon as fucking Asia opened, it just started dropping and just kept dropping. It kept going lower and lower and lower. I can tell you one thing, anyone trying to catch falling knives on that shit probably had a rough fucking time. The fuck? All right. Orders are going in. Golden has given us any opportunity to short. Could have rode this shit all the way down. You know what I mean? Last night. The whole session was an opportunity to short. It popped here, Asia opens, and then it just started fucking flushing. Yeah, there was some cuck here, but that was just bear flagging. Came up here, we had a nice little retracement, and then it dropped even lower. This shit could go even lower, but I don't know. Nice fucking. That was 60 points. I have a feeling I'm going to get filled here and it's going to keep going. But whatever. Actually, shit. I don't know if I want it to keep going. Fuck. Well, we're going to find out. This is a far ride from fucking. This is at 272. My next order's at 209. Probably not a good idea to ride that all the way down. Nice. Look at that drop. 71. We just dropped 70 fucking points. It's going to fucking run into issues here. Maybe, maybe not. That shit just bounced 20 fucking points. I mean, I got to lock. I can't let this fucking come all the way back. Although I'm end of day trailing. Also, like if I wasn't intraday trailing on the pros that I had, I probably would have been okay. That was like a fucking beautiful 786 bounce if I've ever seen one. We'll see if I could get more. Got to take that. Elmy, what's up? You shorted last night and made 9K. That's fucking nuts. Did you do it in any prop firms where you just needed to get over the buffer on funded accounts? Because that would be fucking amazing. Yeah, that was a good trade. Is it going to go higher now? Probably. I got out at 99.50. So another 7 points. I missed out on if I was perfect, but I mean, what are you going to do? Anything could happen in the next couple of minutes, right? We're about to approach MOC. That's a nice fucking trade. I can't be mad about that shit. Right, chat? Thanks, chat. I'm going to check my email right now, see if I got anything from Apex. Nothing new. By the way, they're 90% off. 90% off for those of you who could trade with them. with the best fucking code, 0DayJ. Oh! Oh! You see, guys? I'm glad I got out. Oh! Retesting that 786 with this being the low, the anchored low. I don't know. Does it go back up? I don't know. I got an order down here, which is a 707 when I expand this to the next low, which is actually the low a day. Did you see that, guys? I just don't know if it's going to go down that far. That was nasty, though. Nasty work right there. Oh, my God. This 786 from, I don't know if this is going to hold. I think we're going to go lower. Yep. You see, guys? You see? 36 points. I wonder, chat. It might come down here. It might come all the way down here. I just don't want to get in short and find out. I don't want to fuck around and find out. I'm willing to wait for it to come down here and then potentially get filled in a long. I like it. I like those areas. Chat. There it goes. It's lower now. It's lower on top of the smoky. Interesting. Mucho tenso. Trade if you select, no consistency. Nice. Steven D. Simone, what up? P. Shenanigan. Why is Apex price like $34 with 90% off? Because they raised their shit, man. They raised their prices. Palmy, what up, man? I wonder if they're noticing that their sales are down. Got approved for a $2,000 payout last week and still waiting for the cashola. Yeah, so it's about the same. There we go. It's going lower. Does it have enough to come down here and fucking fill me? We dropped 100 points from here. I bet a lot of people got faked out on this too, because we got over the VWAP. We crossed over the VWAP, came back and retested it, and then it just went through it instead of bouncing higher. I bet a lot of people got fucked in that spot. Tay, you like that trade? Yeah, I like it too. You tried 0-day Jane doesn't work on Apex? Nice job, Bree. Nice job. iTrade, what up? Stock cars and bets. Yeah. Oh, really? Israel's... Of course they want to restart the war. They love killing people. Did I say that out loud? Fuck, my bad. Oh, shit, it came all the way down and filled me. Carbonite. Rafal. You know, though, at least you know you're going to get paid. Oh, shit. Oh, I should have taken that. Oh, granny. Can it get up to fucking this area right here? I don't even... Do I need that much? Oh, I don't think it's going to get up there. Fuck. Right here will give me 1,500 for the day. I wish I was in with bigger size. I would have fucking already had it. They are funding Jay's live account with everybody else's payouts. That's funny. Iggy, what up? It's ma'am. Yeah, you could trade gold with Apex. You could trade any metals with Apex now. Whatever you were able to trade before they halted that shit, you could trade with Apex again. Come on, let's go. Push, 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 push in the bush. Oh, today's OPEX. That's right. Fuck. Fuck. JK. Forgot today was OPEX. Forgot today was OPEX. It's the third Friday of the month. Let's go. Push it. Push it. Push. I don't even need that much. Oh my God. I got to lock something in. Don't come back and take me out, you fucking piece of shit. Let's go. Come on. I don't even think... Oh, you fucking got to be fucking kidding me. You got to be fucking kidding me. I'm moving it down. What did I have here? 35 and 49. 280. I was at like 1,300. Is this really going to fucking take me out? Fucking piece of shit. Fucking piece of shit. It always finds me. Watch it bounce now. Fucking cocksucker, bro. Always fucking finds me. It never fucking fails. The next candle is going to go up. Never fucking fails. Or am I just going to fuck myself here? Every fucking time. Look, it's like this is the same. I deal with this shit all the time. Look at that. It comes down. I like my fucking trailing stops are like. Obviously, I need to work on where to put my trailing stop, but it would have. If I put it down here, it would have found it. If I put it down here, it would have done it. It would have hit it. Uh-oh. Is that it? Well, that was fun. Had $1,300 right here. Cool. Honestly, I really don't even give a fuck anymore. Vince, what up? J Min. Man, I'm telling you. Hell yeah. I love giving back all my gains. Had $1,300 here. Like it couldn't go up. It couldn't go up like 8 more fucking points. I didn't even need that much. I needed like 7.5 points. Yeah. Best fucking trader on YouTube. I don't, Mikey. Honestly, I really don't give a fuck about them. Any other time during OPEX, it would have fucking pumped. It would have went up a little bit more. What a fucking great job. Fuck it. Let's blow them. Let's blow them. I love getting new accounts. Now it's going to drop. Fuck yeah. From fucking up almost 1,300 to down fucking 600. Great fucking job. Best fucking trader ever. Ehab. Tim Morgan. Monica. It will fucking take me out. It'll take all of my drawdown and then fucking bounce. Give it time. Am I noticing gold is better to trade? I love trading gold, but it doesn't matter what I trade. The instrument isn't the problem. I am the problem. Case in point. Like, perfect example. These are going to blow. What's gold doing? Gold's dropping too. Yes. Fuck yeah. Come on, blow. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh. Too bad. Give it a chance. It's crazy that the 707 held, but the 786 didn't. There we go. Best fucking trader ever. From $1,300 to fucking blown. That's basically what happened with my funded accounts. Marcin, yup. Bobby Digital. Yup. Let me go spend more money. Hold on. Let's go get more money. Now it's going to fucking pump. I love it. I fucking love it. Now it's going to pump because I'm not in the fucking trade anymore. Fucking so stupid. There it goes. There it fucking goes. Amazing. Amazing. I had $1,300. What a fucking loser. I'm the biggest fucking loser in the fucking world. Biggest fucking loser ever, man. Every fucking time. Look, are you noticing a fucking trend? Are you noticing a fucking pattern? Look, every time. These were my pros that were over the buffer. Fucking amazing. Why'd I even pay for resets when I could have just bought new accounts? I just paid for I just spent an extra. I spent $15 more than I needed to. Twice. Fucking stupid fuck. I'm such a dumb fuck. I hate everything. Seriously, I'm fucking tired of this shit. I'm tired of being so fucking bad at this shit. You know, and I held out over here thinking, you know, what did I do here? I got in here. I got back in here because you know what happens a lot of times? I get shaken out and then it goes up higher every fucking time, except for when I get in, except for when I get back in. Whenever I get back in, it doesn't go back higher. It's only when I don't get back in. So fucked up. Holy Earth, always. Anytime I'm doing bad, YouTube puts me in front of everybody. YouTube puts me in bad. When I was doing 40K a month, nobody gave a fuck. Wild J. Coach Fred. Yeah, I trade. I fucked that up. What can I do differently, Rick? I don't know. I'm not really sure. Clearly, whatever I'm doing isn't working. I mean, I had $1,300. Maybe I should just be happy with that, knowing that I have to trade for 5 fucking days, even at 880. Or I could have fucking recognized that it was going to drop, but I was holding out hope for a fucking bounce here. Maybe the fibs aren't it anymore. They always work perfectly when I'm not in the fucking trade, but when I'm in the trade, they fuck me. So I don't know. My mental is all fucked up right now. What up, Freddie? Have I been? Not great. I don't fucking care about my other accounts. I had 1,300 in these. I just got these. Sal tries, what up? Nah. I want to piss through all my money. I want to blow it all up. I want to end up with $0 in my bank account from prop firms. That's my goal. It's fucking crazy. It's so fucking, it's amazing. It's amazing how often that fucking happens. Clearly, I don't know what I'm fucking doing. I don't know how to lock in gains. I get annoyed because the same shit happens over and over again. I get a little fucking annoyed when it fucking happens. And then it causes me to make bad decisions. So the only other thing I could think of when I'm starting to get annoyed is to just fucking take my hands off the fucking laptop and not trade. It's the only thing I could think of. I don't even want to get any more accounts right now. I don't even want to trade anymore. Honestly, I'm fucking done trading for the day. I'm not fucking touching this shit. I don't even give a fuck about today. I don't give a fuck. Shit just keeps dropping. Might want fucking 29,040 something. Can't believe it's doing it right now, though. There's weird price action every fucking day. It's just fucking, you know what I'm saying? Saad, it's all fucking crazy. Renee from John Jay. Lance. I mean, we just dropped. We're down over 200 fucking points. But I had this right here. Like I was up as much as $1,280. I was up 880 here at 26 and went up as high as 49, 21. 880 plus 420. Yeah, I was at like 1280. I think I saw 1280 on the screen because of fees and shit. I don't know. Clearly, I'm doing something wrong. The trade was great. I was trading fine until I fucking, held this trade forever and then got filled on more and then added more and then it just kept dropping anyway, so it didn't matter. Instead of recognizing maybe it's going to fucking drop. I didn't expect it to drop from here another 100 fucking points, 130 points at, 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 360. It makes zero sense, but whatever. It doesn't matter. All of this is mental. This is mental and poor execution. Ari Isaac, I appreciate it, but I just feel like a failure. Raw, what up? I just feel like a fucking, I just have no confidence. None whatsoever. I could do shit like this, whenever. I could do this all the time. But I also could do this all the time. Josh, what up? Locked out on 5 pros earlier? That was yesterday. I blew those last night after getting over the buffer. Yeah, Carbonite. Yeah. So many people are crushing it. I might be the worst fucking trader in the Discord. I'm so bad now. I'm so bad. I just have no fucking patience. Nope, that's not even the patience. I just don't have my fucking tolerance for fucking bullshit is at an all-time low. Miss Goody, I don't think so. A rough patch? It's gonna be a fucking 3-month rough patch. I might not get a payout this month at all, the way shit is going. I'm a fucking loser. A failure and a loser. So it's just crazy how far I fell from what I was doing. Even when I was all over the place and blowing accounts left and right, I was still getting payouts. Now I'm not getting shit. It's like I'm just starting over. Yeah, Canute, I can't wait to trade. I can't wait to trade some more and find something else to fuck up. I can't wait. So I'm out, I'll have funded trade days. Let's see how fast I blow these. I have these Lucids halfway up. Let's see if I can even get the second half. I'll probably fuck these up. I got these My Funded Futures halfway up. Let's see if I can get the second half. Probably not. I'll probably find a way to fuck that up. And then look what I just did with these. Now we're basically back to where I got taken out, but not that it matters. I'm sure. I wouldn't be surprised if we fucking run all the way up to where my take profit was to hit 1,500. And then where I fucked up was I added here, and then I added a second one. I don't know. Something happened there. I don't even fucking remember. Honestly, I don't even remember. JK. Well, whatever. We're always going to have shit going on personally. We're always going to have something going on personally. Because life isn't perfect. There's always going to be shit going on in our personal lives. Miss Goody, when's your birthday? Because my son is the 23rd. If I wait, it's like waiting for every fucking light to turn green on a fucking busy road for you before you go. You can't wait for the perfect day to trade. Every day, life fucking sucks sometimes. Last May 31st, no doubt. It's just, I don't know. I just feel like I've fallen so fucking far from where I was, and it's fucking driving me crazy. And I get close to get payouts. It's almost like I have like this fucking trigger, this fucking switch in my fucking body, in my brain to fucking find a way to fuck it up. And I'm fucking tired of it happening. Yeah, well, I mean, everybody's different. Whatever works for you guys is what works for you. What works for me, nothing works for me anymore. Clearly, I could grow accounts. I was just at 1,300. But my fucking execution is off. It's awful. It's just, I don't know. I'm just over it. I'm over all of it. I'll just be a content creator who just trades and never gets payouts. I'll go back to being that guy. Fuck it. I'll just call myself a content creator. If I keep at this pace, maybe in a couple months I won't be able to, maybe by the end of next month or the month after, I won't be a profitable trader anymore. Can't wait to fucking say formerly profitable prop firm trader. That's what I'm going to change my fucking bio to. Oh, look at this shit go. Here we go. That's where the account's blue. Remember, that's 100 points from now. That's a rough fucking, that's a tall task. Adam, what up? Yeah, Rick. Yeah, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for my best trading ever and biggest payouts ever to fucking follow this shit. Because it ain't happening. It still hasn't happened. Bullhead Mike. Oh, Bullhead. Yeah, I've done that before with being that close. What about my live Lucid accounts? Never had a live Lucid account. What's up, DCA LeConte? Look at this shit go. Look. Amazing. What's up, Brent? Option exchange. Yeah, I think I need a lot more than that. I had Lucid Flexes on day 4 and I blew them. Funded Lucid Flexes on day 4 and I blew them. DS, I'm trying, bro. I'm fucking trying. I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I think I have it all figured out, and then I kick myself in the fucking nuts. Oh, I know I'm getting close. Like, all I know is I'm getting closer to breaking out of this shit, but like every time I think I'm about to be out of this shit, I do shit like this. I blow funded accounts. I had pros. Look, I mean, I had my fucking pros up over fucking 2,200. It wasn't unrealized gains, but I was still over the buffer when they blew. And then I did this. It's fucking bad. I'm just fucking tired of it. And then this happens right after all of that. This is where they blew. Look familiar? Tell me this doesn't look familiar. Tell me this doesn't look familiar. Not as bad. This is worse. Like, this is not as bad because it went down a bunch more, but this didn't go down a whole bunch more. This is where I blew my funded accounts, and then look. And then, like, I get 3 days in, I'm cruising, and then I fucking, with the Lucids, and then on day 4, I can't even fucking get $150. Lance, I don't know, man. I'm like I said, my confidence in trading is at an all-time low. So, yeah, Christine, I'm sorry that happened. Yeah, I need to go through Tori's course again. Maybe that'll help. What would my best brother, one of my best friends tell me? He would tell me to stop talking like this about myself. But you know what? I don't fucking want to. I don't give a fuck anymore. TTA. You did 5 days for payout, got greedy, trying to get more on the 5th day instead of just locking yourself out. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's not like I'm not good at trading. Well, maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm not good anymore. Obviously, I'm not good anymore. I can't even get a fucking payout. Can't even get a fucking payout. So, you know, I got $2,300 in payouts last month. I got nothing this month. I haven't gotten paid in over a month. And then I'm just having, and then what am I doing right now on my stream? Having a fucking pity party. I don't know why anybody comes to watch me. Oh wait, I forgot. Because my coach, my fucking well-meaning coach, told me they come here to laugh at me. Right? Everybody's laughing at me. Fucking loser. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just fucking tired of this shit. I'm tired of this shit for sure. At least I have these. We'll see what happens with these. We'll see if I can pass these. We'll see if I can pass these. And if you want to hang out in the best fucking community, don't worry about me. You ignore me. Ignore anything I post, but there's so many awesome people in there and really good traders. You should join and hang out in there. It's really that fucking good. Maximus, do I know what the fuck I'm doing? Do I really know what the fuck I'm doing? Clearly I don't. Clearly I don't. Clearly I don't. Clearly I don't. Let's scroll. Let's go a little bit further. Don't worry, give it time. I'll find it. Yeah, how Izzo will do it. There. No? Where's my screenshot of my blown fucking Lucid accounts? Did I not post them? I figured I would have posted them. There we go. I found them. This is where I'm at. Day four. And you know what also happened during this session trading these? It was the usual shit. All I had to do was hold. I got bottom ticked. If I just held the trade, that was one of the things. Also, if I hold the trade, it's the same fucking thing every fucking time. What's up, Pine? Option exchange, you passed 18 apexes today. Great job. Great fucking job. Bro, I've been seeing you getting payouts left and right with Lucids. I'm not worried about you. Francisco, how am I doing today? Not good. I'm fucking annoyed. Day by day, in every way, I'm getting better and better. Every day, in every way, I'm getting better and better. Look. Let's see how much better and better I'm getting. Day by day, in every way, I'm getting better and better. Look, here we go. Boom. Better and better. Better and better. Every day, in every way, I'm getting better and better and better. Boom. Look at that shit. Fucking amazing. Boom. Look at that. Fucking amazing. Yeah. I was up $1,300, 1,280. Who gives a fuck? Whatever. Fucking blow them. Got lucky here. Was lucky to pass these. Every day and every way, I'm getting better and better. Lucky to get halfway up on these. Don't worry. The second half should be just as easy, right? Right? We'll see. Day by day, in every way, I'm getting better and better. Yeah, Reed. Anyone who sucks as bad as I do knows that it could get costly. I'm still playing with house money at this point, but for how much longer? So am I putting extra pressure on myself to get payouts? I don't know. I don't think so. Because at this point, I don't even fucking care. Seeing green? Yeah, you saw green here. What do you fucking do, bro? Greg, this isn't green. These aren't green. You know what I'm saying? These aren't fucking green. Just fucking wasted fucking money and time. Or maybe, you know what I should do from now on? I just pretend that everything is fucking great all of the time. I'll just be like everybody else. Only show the good shit. The 100K, if you're asking about Apex options exchange, the 100Ks actually might be the best ones. I mean, being green is important, but like being able to fucking get the job done and close the deal. Closing the deal for me is getting payouts. But you need to be green in other accounts to be able to get the payouts. You need to be green. Obviously, we all know that. But yeah, the green evals are cool, but blowing fucking funded accounts is not cool. And then being up $1,200 and blowing them, that would only happen. That would only have happened to me. It's just fucking bad. I'm just fucking tired. I'm tired of it, bro. I'm just fucking tired. I'm tired of everything. Yeah, that's a new trend. I'll just fucking ask ChatGPT. Hey, ChatGPT, like this. Look, I'd just be like this, you know? Look, guys, did it all live. Fucking printing over here. Did it all live in the paid Discord. Mark, if you can't decide between one or the other, do both. Oh, I just copied and pasted your fucking accounts, Maximus. All I watch is someone detail my car. Punisher, what up, man? Yep. Yeah. We'll do it live, Alfred. Well, I did it live today. Went up $1,280, wanted 1,500, didn't get it, and then found a way to blow the accounts like a fucking loser because I didn't make the adjustment. Just held and held and held. I could hold losers for fucking. I could hold a loser trade for fucking hours, but I can't hold a fucking winner, a winner that will keep going to save my life. But whatever, it don't matter. Full tilt. I don't think that's the issue. I don't know what the issue is. The issue is I fucking suck. Yeah, I guess it could be. I guess it could be worse. I could be dead like my fucking dog. Zoe, what's up? But at least he's at peace now. Gadasi, you want to join the Discord? It's right here, bro. There's the link in the chat. It's free for now. I need more fucking coffee because fuck it. I gotta pee so bad. Hang out, guys. I gotta pee. I'll be right back. All right. I feel much better now.
Oh no.
Hey. It's okay. Yeesh. That's hot. Hey, Jillian.
Did my bangs look good?
They look banging.
Oh, yes or no?
Yeah, they look banging. Yeah, sorry, chat. My wife came in the house from outside, hysterical crying. She needed a hug. She's having a really hard time. I mean, I am too, but you know, she definitely had more of a connect. You know, I mean, I love that dog, but you know what I'm saying. What up, Zach? Yo, you know what YouTube keeps doing is weird shit. You guys are. I know you guys are hanging out. Bush, what up? Am I going to enter the trader fee commission, the competition? Fuck no. Self-govern, what up? This guy is hilarious. Thank you. Giorgio, what's good? You didn't see, that's the thing. If you're over the buffer, man, you gotta take something. You have to take something. Mark, be good, man. Thank you. Peace out to you as well. Bowser, yeah. At some point we're gonna learn from our mistakes. I'm just feeling sorry for myself right now. But you got to take if you're over the buffer like that. I mean, who am I to fucking say? I wasn't. I was only $40 over. And bullish. No, I'm not. I honestly, I did the trade day competition. And although that kind of fucking that catapulted me into having like the craziest fucking run I've ever had as a prop firm trader, but it was a waste of fucking time. It was a waste of time. Nobody benefits from the trade iffy competition more than trade iffy. I'm having trouble beating myself. And now I got to beat a bunch of other people to get any money. I got to beat out all these other people just to get something. I just think it's not even worth it for me personally. Thank you, Carbonite. Chris, I'm done. I'm not fucking. I'm done. I'm done for the day. Just so you know, guys, the Take Profit Trader 50% off, no activation fee deal is ending Sunday night. I doubt they're going to extend it. It's a flash sale they were running basically it was their way of saying we're about to raise prices on resets. Also, if you got to reset accounts, although it's cheaper to not to reset accounts, you're better off just, unless they're bigger than if they're bigger than a 75K. Let's see. Basically, anything bigger than a 50K, it's cheaper to do a reset right now. But the $100 right now, until Monday, resets on any size account is $100. It's $100 on any size account. But it's cheaper to just get new 25 and 50Ks if you need to right now while the deal is happening. 50% off until Sunday night. No activation fee. Reset prices are going to change. That's why they're doing this promotion. Because the reset prices are going up. 50K and 25Ks are going to be less than $100. 75K, 100, and 150K are going to be more than $100. Okay? Where it was always $100 across the board, but not anymore. Starting Monday. Huh. I'm just thinking in my head right now. Where else would I be thinking? Oh, man. Zach. Benjamin, what's good? Oh, wow. Yeah. My wife just did that fucking jury duty shit. Corey. Oh, my God, bro. I blew mine on day 4, too, bro. It's so fucking frustrating. Do Take Profit Trader accounts reset on rebill? I believe so. I don't know if they reset if you already have a balance CASA list. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how that works. I've never had an account, an eval that long to even find out how that works. Markel, what's up, man? Yeah, I didn't stream yesterday. I couldn't. Gadasa, you just saw what I just did. Up $1,300 and blowing it. And then I was up 2,000 last night on my pros and fucking blew those, trying to get more. Yeah. Oh, if they're blown, yeah. CASA list, if they're blown, yeah, they will reset and you could, go again. Especially now, like with the Take Profit Trader ones, might as well leave those subscriptions active because it's the cheapest you're going to be getting those accounts for. Nudes, thank you, man. Thank you. This shit just stopped. Which Take Profit Trader, what size? I mean, I like the 50Ks. The 25Ks are good if you trade small. They're the easiest ones to pass and get paid on. The 150Ks are good. They're all good. It really just depends on you. Can you grow accounts? Is growing an account something that you struggle with? Can you it's intraday trailing on a funded account? Like what? There's so many factors that would tell me, it's so hard to tell. I like the 50Ks. That's like, I love trading 50Ks. I've gotten the most payouts with every firm on 50Ks. Chad, maybe on Monday. Yo, they're not going to lower that. Why? Yo, that's they leave it like that. So if anybody's fucking crazy enough to do it, they get that money. Hey, let's get off the fucking red. So we'll see if I can fucking pass these. And these are passed. These trade days are passed. These are end of day trailing too. Just so you know, trade day offers end of day trailing. You have the option to get end of day trailing, and you could do day one and daily payouts like Take Profit Trader with end of day trailing. You could do intraday as well. They're cheap. The accounts are cheaper, and you could do static. Gilbert. Maybe, bro. And thanks for hitting the super chat, bro. Maybe. I don't know what it is, man. I don't think that's what it is. I think I got something called Ligma. I appreciate you for hitting the super chat. I really do. I think I got something called Ligma. It's a trading phenomenon. Trading on tilt. What up, man? JK. Newts. Joe Lopez. Oh, I responded to you. Casalisk, a prop firm, you had a fucking subscription renew on a blown account and you didn't get a new account? You think it was Blue Sky? Jesus Christ. Oh, Newts. That's fucked up. Yeah, trading on tilt. Yeah, I get it, bro. I get it. I get it, man. I definitely get it. If I'd done it once, I could do it again, just like I tell you guys all the time. Chrisin, all the trade day, any type of trade day account, any size is 30% off right now with no activation fee with my code 0DJ. Yeah, stock cards and bets. I'm sure, man. Joker, what's good? My shit was avoidable though. It's all about me. It's all about my mental, my execution. It's all about the execution. I got an appointment. Where the fuck is my phone? I got a fucking appointment at the Genius Bar at an Apple store today. I'm just curious if the NQ what the NQ is doing. What time is this appointment? Oh, 2:45. So I gotta leave basically as soon as I get off of this shit. Well, not really, not as soon. Apple Summerlin. How far away is that shit? That shit's rated at 3.8. I'm scared to go there. Oh, it's only 12 minutes away. Yeah. Yeah. Newts, I never heard of him. Yeah, Chrisin, like if intraday is not where it's at for you, then don't trade prop firms that only offer that. Like get like Lucid Flex is end of all Lucid is end of day, but Lucid Flexes are the best. Trade Day has end of day. My Fund the Futures has end of day on most of their stuff, but although the rapid plans are intraday when you're funded. All right, be good, just ain't right. Thanks for hanging out, man. Yeah, this is done. Something might happen at the very end, but oh, Newt, oh, you're learning about lifting from him. I think, bro, I think you'll learn a lot from fucking Athlete X. I learned everything. Like that was the fucking huge foundation for me, Athlete X. I mean, there's a million people you could learn from. How do I handle the pain, Kadasa? You see me like a little bitch. That's how I handle the pain. Like a little crybaby bitch. I vent on the stream. But all seriousness, I got to keep it moving. That's the only thing you could do is just keep moving forward. And maybe one day fucking learn from it, you know? Yeah, how to do a face pull. A lot of people do it the wrong way. They'll go like this. It's this. You always want your thumbs out to get the external rotation. Tristan, right after, yeah, isn't that funny how shit like that happens, man? Yeah, like Newt, you can literally piece together entire workouts. He gives you entire workouts. Depends on what you want to do. You just type in like Athlete X arms or Athlete X full workout. There's so much shit in there. Hey, Tristan, at least it can't happen anymore because they got rid of that rule. Oh, shit, we're going to dump now. Going to 0. Jeff Nippard's good, too. Yeah, Newts, exactly. You just got to do what feels right. Just make sure you're not, like, doing, like, you know, you want to, like, make sure you hit failure in every set. That's, like, a big thing. Like, real failure. Where, like, that last rep is fucking almost impossible. You know, when it makes sense. You don't want to do it on, like, a fucking, on a bench press with nobody spotting you. You know, you want to get to almost a point where you can't move that shit. Like right now, like I just finished doing Athlete Express. It was a 3-month program. Now I'm back to doing some free. I'm doing my own thing. You want to make sure you don't have hedge bros. Yeah, everybody's different. There's also shit you could do called effective reps, which is what I learned from Jeff Cavalier over at Athlete X. Like effective reps are fucking crazy. You basically you're basically hitting failure, resting for 15 to 20 seconds or 30 seconds tops, going back at it and hitting failure again until you get a certain amount of reps total after like your first ignition set. There's so many different ways to train. Anyway, I'm going to bounce. I got to bounce. Let me just see something. I got to like take care of some shit and then make sure that I got to be ready to go to the Apple store. All right, guys? I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe, all that good shit. I'll probably be on Sunday night. Definitely be on for Power Hour. Just so you know, that Take Profit Trader deal ends Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. 50% off, no activation fee for the lifetime of that account. All right? With the best fucking code 0DJ. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks again for watching. Peace.